Chasing Cars by Snow Patrol uses 3 chords throughout the entire song: an A major chord, a D major chord, and an E major chord. We're going to start with the A major chord and strum down in 8th notes for 2 full bars. So we'd have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... We then move to an E major chord and do exactly the same strumming for 2 more bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then to the D chord, exactly the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then back to the A major chord for another 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that strumming pattern repeats throughout the entire song. So A for 2, E for 2, D for 2 and A for 2. So that would sound like this. A for 2 bars, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E for 2 bars, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and repeat. So there's a really easy riff to play in the song too. We've got 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the D and 1st finger on the 5th fret of the B, and we're just going to repeat pick. So thumb on the right hand is going to pick the D string, and then 2nd finger on the right hand is going to pick the B string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so we just pick thumb, 2nd on repeat. This is going to be for 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and then going to move down to the 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the D and do exactly the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we go to an open D. 1st finger stays where it is. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then back to that first shape, 7th fret with the 3rd finger on the D, 1st finger 5th fret of the B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and so the whole riff sounds like this. If you're new to guitar and you're looking for more songs at a similar level to this, check out this playlist here. Thanks for watching this one, good luck and take care.